Good afternoon, everyone. Nana here, aka Judy Allen, San Antonio, Texas, and we actually have cooler weather. Whoop whoop. I want to point out a couple of things. I got this yesterday. Woohoo! For my daughter for Thanksgiving, to work for Thanksgiving. Everything's sort of exciting and busy around here because we've got our Christmas trees. We had a wonderful Thanksgiving with family and we're creating and everything and all. We even made some cards to give to nonprofits for thank yous and words of encouragement. So that's how we're sharing. So just think about how you can share. All right. So today we are making a card from a paper poker kit, an alternative, and it's going to have a gift card holder. That's what we're going to be showing you today. And just as a friendly reminder, on Sunday, Zoe and Nana will be live at 4 o'clock p.m. with a new paper pumpkin kit for November. So we'll be working from there and showing and demonstrating that. And you can join along with us and make your kit as we make ours, and we'll go from there. How about that? Then beginning December 1st, we're going to have 12 Days of Christmas that we're doing on YouTube, and we'll be sharing it at noon beginning December 1st through the 12th every day. So we have different projects, not cards, but projects that we're making that can be made easily yourself, be given as gifts or stocking stuffers. So there you go, a lot going on. With that, we go out of hands and we're going to get started. And please be sure to say hello in some kind of way that we can recognize you're there, because remember on Sunday we'll be giving away door prizes. So don't forget that, all right? So let's go down those hands. All right, here's what we're working with today. And we're going to actually turn this card sideways today, because remember, we have our cardstock. This is the kit. You can do it this way, how we do most of it, but we can do it like this today. Because on the inside, it doesn't matter, because any way you go, when we did the gift card holder portion, you're going to see it doesn't matter which way you go with it, how you make your card. The main thing is just getting your gift card holder in there, and that it's big enough to hold the gift card. Or, you don't want it too small. It's up to you if you want it too big. I made mine just the size I wanted it. So that's what we'll be working with today and demonstrating. So I'm going to go ahead and get this on here like this. This is how we've done the other cards. Now today, since I've decided to do it sideways, I just want to do a couple of different things. I cut my trees down to 2 trees. And we're going to decide where we're going to place those. Most likely place them in the center. And then I just took some stuff from each of the other cards and designs that we had. And I'm just going to alter this a little bit. Just because this wasn't how it was set up and how we did it originally. And I'm just going to alter it a little bit like this here. And I have the trees here. And I haven't decided how I'm going to do the other yet. But we're going to go ahead and get this at least down. Get the trees down. I can put them anywhere I want. I think I'm going to put them to the right here. And we're going to use glue dots because otherwise you see what's going to go through. This is vellum. And you got to keep in mind with vellum that whatever you use to adhese them with is going to be seen through it. So that's why we usually use the glue dots, because they're real small in size in comparison to the dimensionals. And in this particular case, I'm going to end up hiding it anyway with the banner. I'll just come down a little bit further like that. And you're going to see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to actually put this on here, the dimensionals. And when I do that, it's going to hide it. I'll put it right at there. And then I'll go right over it. And nobody will see the glue dots. The actual ones from the kit itself are thinner, a little bit thinner. They hold just as well. I'll just show you those. And they're really nice because of the fact that you can't even see them. That's what the beauty of them is. But I was going to hide this with this anyway, so just put it right across here. And then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put these down flat with glue dots. Actually, tape will get me flatter. Let me do tape. I could use the glue dots, but for the time of speed, I can do it this way. Alright? So I've already sort of got a general idea. I can still I don't have to do the whole thing. I just need it to be adhesive here. And I'm just going to do it just sort of like this, where it hangs over. Because I'm going to, let me see if I get that a little bit straighter if I can. If I can't, then I can't. I'd like to get that a little bit straighter if I can. Alright, see what happens. So that's why you try to get it as straight as you want it. At least it didn't tear the paper, okay? But I didn't press real hard down either. And then, I'm going to put something down for that second, unless my circle will hold it down. Or this will hold it down too. Now I'm just going to raise this up just a little bit because I just wanted to be able, see when I go, wrong thing. When I go to put the circle here, because I'm going to put the circle up here, I'm going to put it like right about here. It'll hold that down too. So I'm really just sort of getting my look of what I want. Okay? So I'm just going to put tape on the back of here. And then when you see that circle there, it's no more than what we had when we made on the other card. We used a circle and I just flipped it over. Okay? So I didn't use anything beyond the kit itself. I just utilized it in different ways. Okay? Just to give a little different look. That's all I'm looking for. Now again, I'm just going to put some tape on back. Let's see about where I'm going to position, because I do still want to see my trees, right? So it's just a matter of how much. Okay, so I'm going to put some tape right about there. Get my tape going with me. Sometimes I do that, and sometimes I'm like smooth as ever. I don't need a whole lot, I just need something to hold it in place. Okay, so like I said, I am going to be covering the bottom of the trees, but that's okay. I just wanted to get the look here. Let's see if I got the sticky part right. No, I might have to put some more there, but it's okay. Alright, I just wanted the trees to show up a little bit. If I want to add more trees, I can add more trees, but for the moment, I want to do that. And I was in my enthusiasm to get my circle on there, I didn't stamp. So guess what we get to do now? Alright, it's okay. The world won't end. It'll feel like it, but it's not. Okay, I'm actually going to stamp on this. I'm going to believe it's going to come out right. Because normally we don't do this. So it messes up, and I have an opportunity for creativity. See? Now I have an opportunity for creativity, because even if I try to do this a second time, it's not. Yep, see? Alright, so let me take this off and see what I have as an opportunity for creativity. I should have stamped that first. Ooh, you know what I can do? Oh, here, I have another one. Good. So I can say, if not, I was going to use my hole punch. Let's see if we like that anyway. Hold on just a second. I got this up here to do. I'll show you how I did the gift card holder. But let's see if we think this is too small. Okay. So I can just cut a hole through there. Let's see here. Now the only thing is I can't stamp. As you can see, I won't be able to stamp that there because it's too small. So let's see what other choices I have in the stamp set. Either that or I'll just go back with my original plan. Merry Christmas is too big. I don't want holiday cheers. Alright. Let me just stamp the bigger one then. But I could do that. I just had to do smaller words and it's not the words I wanted. So we'll just do a redo. It's a good thing I had some still left in my kit. So the thing is, like I said, it's always keep your leftover stuff, like in this particular case. Yay. I actually had an extra circle I hadn't used yet that I could go and restamp this and do it right. Okay. Yay. Good save. Alright, so we'll do a redo. So we're going to do what I did a minute ago. I'm going to sit there and put some tape right behind here. And I'm also going to go ahead and put a dimensional right here as well too. So I'll have the height about the same. I'm just going to put it on the bottom because I want to do that. See if I do this here, how it'll make it just right. So I've got one dimensional right there too. And then I'm going to put tape at the top here. I just need to put some to go across it to get it to stick, like it did so well a while ago. Okay. I'm going to do just like I planned on doing a minute ago. I'm just going to sit there and stick it right here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take this off right here, because I can do it that way if I want to. Alright, now I got bling I can put on here as well too. And we are going to put bling on here because we all like bling. And you know, you can use as much as you want. I just sort of going to scatter it around. Put it on here. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. We did. We had, oh my gosh, had all my kiddos here except one. and he's offshore. That was very nice. That was very, I can tell you the last time we had so many kiddos together. Everybody's busy lifestyle. All right, so there I've got the front of my card done. If you want to add more bling, add more bling. It doesn't matter. If that bothers me too much, I can come back and put another dimensional right there, and that'll keep. In fact, I am. That's really annoying me already. So. Let's just do that, and that way it won't like later on today as I'm looking at it and have my cards up to say, hey, what do I think and what I want to add. I won't be looking at that going, man, I should add that dimensional. All right, there we go. There. See? All right, now we're going to go to the inside of the card. I'm actually going to stamp on the inside of the card today. I went in and got my words out of here. It's very nice. It's going to go with it. And we can easily stamp anything else we wanted to stamp. These are the words I was going to stamp. And then we're going to put our card holder in here. This says, sending you peace and joy all year long. Right? Just going to stamp it there. All right, then we're going to sit up here and we're going to sit here and put our gift card holder. Now, when I open this, I'm just going to open it like this, and I'm going to turn it sideways because I'm going to put the gift card holder here. This is nothing more than taking the green that you saw here. I actually took the, we have the other card that has the front of it like this here, and I cut it here. And then what I did is, I sized it down to 3 3/4 by 4 3/4. And then this is nothing more than scored 3/8 of an inch all the way around, and I put double-sided tape here. This is called tear away. I think it's called something like that. Anyway, I'm going to just sit up here now, and I'm going to fold these because I scored them ahead of time, and I scored them at, like I said, 3/8 of an inch all the way around. Now the only thing that I have to do is I'm going to have to clip the corners down here at the bottom. Let me find my trusty scissors here. And I just, so that I can fold it in, all right? And I really don't care which one I do. Bottom line is I just have to be able to fold it in. Whichever works best for you, that's the one you want to do. So I'm just cutting along the score line, and you're going to see then now, when I go and tuck this and move this over and put this down, it's going to fold nice and have a nice finish, okay? So I'm actually going to go ahead and do the bottom first and get it down. That's the one thing I like about the tape, is that I can do that. And it's whatever's easiest for you. This way I can go ahead and position it and center it. Okay, and then all I'm going to do is tuck these little flaps up and do one side at a time. I tell you, some days I'm not sure if it's better to have long fingernails or short fingernails. Okay, now I'm just going to start it right here. Get it tacked down, and then I'm going to come over on this side here. And then I'll do them both down together. That way it's just not coming up and flapping out at me. That's just what I do. Now see, I already put this here. I got it stuck here. And I'm just going to fold it, on like I said, on this score line. Make sure my little tab is up. Alright, okay. And there you go. And we go to right over here. Just want to keep it sort of flat. And as you can see, I now have my gift card holder. So if you want to get an idea, I've made it so that I can easily do that. If I wanted to stick a piece of candy in here, I could. But it's made for a gift card holder. Okay? So there you have it. We have a card with a gift card holder on the inside, and we made it nice and finished because we scored it and folded it all in. All right, well, there you have it. That is it for this week, the Teach Me Nana, with our card that we made with a gift card holder inside of it, which makes a very lovely gift for those that like gift cards. And I have some peeps that I'm going to be sending gift cards to, because in addition to their gift, I know they like to game and they need gift cards to be able to go and do their gaming online. So there you go. All right, so remember that Zoe and Nana are going to be live on Sunday at 4 o'clock with a new paper pumpkin kit. Feel free to join us and make your kit at the same time, or if you've got an unfinished kit, you can kit along with us. Just be sure to say hi, give a heart, like, or something so that we know that you're there and we include you in the door prize drawing. We'll give away 3 of those. All right? So if you would, please be sure to share and like us, not only on Facebook, but please on YouTube, because we'd like to be able to do live streaming from YouTube on mobile app, and it takes 1,000 subscribers to be able to do that. But anyway, we're going to get there. Each day is one day closer. So, enjoyed it. Look forward to hopefully seeing you this Sunday. Be blessed. Enjoy your week. Go create something and share it with somebody else. Give a gift, whether it's a card, whether it's a gift card, whatever. Just be sure to share. All right. See you next week. Bye.